Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manwa. This is New Manwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 1. Someone once said that becoming a top artist in the industry is not easy. Snap. Media great, so beautiful, so stunning. Stapa Kiran. Naren, please look at the camera. Par this way, please. Because for some people, even the chance to stand next to the stage is out of reach. No entry without permission. But I've never had that problem. Because with the fame I have now, there's always a place for me on stage. Don't rush to hate me or think I'm arrogant to the point you don't want to keep reading, okay? Don't judge me until you truly know me. Pob Fanat Rattana Kietkint singer. Oh my, Pob V. You've been in the industry for so many years, but your face keeps getting younger. Your features are absolutely stunning. You are truly blessed by the heavens. That fear of yours is a work of art. Every year you've done my makeup, you've always complimented me like this. Don't you get tired of it? Not at all. I love your face so much. I heard people want you to star in movies, but you keep declining. Even for leading roles, I just like singing. Acting is only necessary for shooting music videos MV. You must really love your work. Aside from news about your songs, I've never heard anything else. At most, there are rumors of people trying to flirt with you, but you reject them all. I joined the industry because I love singing. I'd rather put other things aside for now. They say I'm only interested in singing and don't care about love at all. Grits. It's half true, half false. It's true that I'm focused only on work. Music is the top priority in my life. I'm only interested in the love from my fans, the love they always give me. But it's wrong to say I'm heartless to the point of not being able to love anyone. The truth is, I also have someone I call love hidden away in my heart. All done, ready to captivate the audience with a clear voice and a beautiful face. Looking beautiful again. Then I'll go do Pasan's makeup first. Click. Ok, thank you. Knock knock. You can come in, it's not locked. Did you forget something? Oh, delivering flowers. Oh, flowers from Claire, so thoughtful, befitting the position of the CEO of Pin. Congratulations from Claire. Thank you. Not sagging a word. Turn. Wait. Your shoelace is untied. Be careful not to trip. Thank you. Step back. Excuse me for now. I said that I kept someone hidden in my heart. That person was my first love who disappeared from my life for over 10 years. Grab. My first love, the one I never got to tell in person how much I liked her. My first love is now standing right in front of me again. Is it you, Can? Can is my first love and my only love. Where have you been, Can? Pob, don't do this. What if someone sees us? Who cares about anyone else? Can, just tell me where you've been all this time. Do you know how much I've missed you? I'm sorry. So, where exactly have you been, Can? Why are you giving me flowers like this? I need to get back to work. Excuse me. Wait, can't we talk first? Pob, are you ready yet? Your turn is coming up. I'll go first. Wait, Can. Where are you going now? I said it's almost your turn. Why did Can come to deliver flowers like this? Didn't you say you went to Korea to debut as an idol? What happened to you, Can Thiwa? Yesterday. Flower founder. Over the many years I've been running my flower shop. Open. I feel happy every time I get to select or arrange flower bouquets exactly as my customers wish. Can Kanthiwa Anasirasan, owner of the flower shop. The magic of flowers lies in their silence, yet they have a language of their own. Unknown call. Hi, this is the founder of Flower Shop. And I'm delighted every single time to be the one delivering that silent love with my own hands. I'd like a large bouquet of white lilies, about 10 flowers. Deliver it to the Corn Prod. By Ami concert happening this Saturday. But this is the first time I don't dare to deliver the flowers myself. Deliver it to Kan. K. Pob Fanat the singer. Is that correct? Tak. Yes, please mention it's from the CEO. Right on the card. No, it's not that I dislike or am against her at all. On the contrary, the singer named Bob Fanat is actually a biggest part of my past. I'm not ready to meet POV right now. Present. Good thing I managed to slip away yesterday. I hope POV doesn't follow me here. Ring ring. Welcome. Ooh, it's been so long since we last met, and you just ran away like that. Didn't you say you'd be the last person to turn your back on me? Many years ago. Lunch break. Room 4/6. Stare. Are you just going to wear headphone all day and not talk to anyone, new kid? Throw. No, I'd like my headphone back. Swish. Let me borrow it first, we're all friends here. Wow, new headphone, the sound is great. Let me use them first. I'll return them when I'm bored. Hey, you guys, we got some free stuff. Use it as you like. Pass. Hey, give it back. Is that a new phone? Let me have it. I'll give it back when I'm bored. What? Alright, sit down properly. It's the last period. Huh, why is Bob Fun's seat empty like that? Didn't she come this? Bob said she was bored, so she went home already. Sigh, there she goes again. Just transferred here, but already skipping so much. An hour earlier. What are you doing? Let me go. Well, we made it so you don't have to study. You already like sulking at the world, don't you? You're welcome. Women's toilet. Hee hee. Hope you enjoy your little private world, Bob. It's the same no matter where I go. Knock knock. I don't want to study anymore. Screech. Bob, are you in there? Either am. Let's go outside together. Stay still. All done. Swish. Yes, I think Bob should tell the teacher about being bullied. This time it's gone too far, you even got hurt. No, it's pointless to tell them. The teachers don't care about me at all. So, you are just going to let them keep bullying you like this. They'll stop on their own once they get bored. Stand. Thanks for helping, but it's better if you stay away from me. If a top student like you sticks with me, people will just gossip unnecessarily. Grab. Let's go tell the teacher. I can help explain everything to them. No, I don't want to make this a big deal. SK. Then I'll go tell them myself. I told you, no. Why are you interfering? Your life is already good. Just live your own life. Grab. Just because our life is good, does it mean we don't have to care about others? Then why does it have to be me? Why are you interested in someone new like me? Smile. Because I like you, Bob Fanat. Because I like you, Bob Panus. You like me. What do you mean? It means I like you, Rove. I want to be close, get to know you, and understand you, okay. And why do you like me? Because you're interesting. Even though you always look bored with the world, I still want to talk to you. So, don't reject me, and let me stay close to you, Bob. I still don't get it. Why does it have to be me? Nervous. I like your voice when you're singing. Oh, you like my voice? Yeah, because honestly, I want to be a singer. Because of my dream of becoming a singer, I've been learning music and singing since I was a kid. Not just in this country, but I want to be famous internationally. Like how talented Thai artists can do it. That's why I practice hard and focus on singing every time. You were amazing today. We're really lucky to have you here at this school. Thank you, teacher. But could I keep practicing for a little while longer? Aren't you tired? Overworking yourself isn't good. Take it step by step, can. It's okay, teacher. I want to improve even more. I used to think I had talent since everyone praised my voice. I thought becoming a good singer wasn't beyond my reach. Until I heard someone's voice. Could you look at me? Talk to me a little more, okay. Women's toilet. Is the voice coming from this way? The voice of someone who made me truly understand the meaning of talent. Can I stay closer to you? Just a little closer. The voice of someone who made me walk toward them, even though they didn't call out. As if I under a spell. Hold me for a moment, don't want you to go anywhere. The voice that came out so naturally, paired with her simply washing her hands. I just wanna be your lady. And that voice is yours, Bob Panus. Because this is the reason why I like you. Does it mean you like my voice? Not me. If I like your voice, it must mean I like your too. Clang, shine, sigh, whatever. Thank you for liking my voice, and for treating my wound, but no matter what, I don't want to bring this up with the teacher. I'm leaving. Get home safely. Wait, I'm not done talking yet. What's the deal? I already thanked you, and I don't want to report this to the teacher either. I just want to live quietly. A school star like you wouldn't understand. It's because I want to stay close to you. Even though I already said I wanted to be friends, why are you still walking away? Why do you keep shutting yourself off? If you still don't trust me, why not try being friends first? That way, you'll know that I'm sincere and can protect you. Protect me from what? You are only a little taller than me. Haha. Then let's try being friends first. You'll realize that the last person on earth to turn their back on you is me. Do you know that the phrase, "a heavenly world," is the first impression? I never thought a school star would give someone like me a chance to be their friend, even though someone as perfect as Can has so many people wanting to be close to her. Swish. Can Thiwa is truly outstanding, deserved to being the number one in the class. Honestly, Bob Panus deserves praise. She gathered the information so well. Really, if you are truly determined, you can do it well. Impressive. But no matter how cautious I am, Can never lets me be. That's why I found myself falling for the warmth of Can Thiwa. Through it all, we ended up staying together until the final semester of 12th grade. In just a few months, high school will be over. So, which university are you planning to attend, Can? Third. Actually, is there something wrong? Well, there's something I haven't told you. I probably won't continue studying at a university in Thailand. Why? Is there any problems? The idol company in Korea just announced that I passed the audition. I can go to the company next month. What? Thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Flower of Youth. Chapter 2. Flower Founder. It's been a while since we last met, but you just ran away like that. Aren't you afraid of getting caught in the end? Wait a sec. What's with that look? Someone who couldn't even look me in the eye is smiling at me now. Clink. I'm home. Hello, Mummy. Mommy. Yes, he's my son. His name is Tavan. Thank you, Mommy. Shock. Oh, is this the singer auntie? The singer auntie. My era is over now. Bob Panus an adult, Gen Y. Sobs. The aunt that Mommy said sings so beautifully. And she's the friend Mommy always talks about. Tavan. Grab. Pointing fingers at adults like this isn't polite. I'm sorry. Tavan, you have to say hello to Aunt Bob, alright? Aunt Bob. Hi, Aunt Bob. She is so cute. Can Thiwa has a family. Now, hello, Tavan. I thought this time when we meet again, I'd finally confess those words to Can. It seems we can only be friends as always. Bar or bistro. VIP area. Are you serious? Can Thiwa already has a kid. Yeah, though he doesn't quite look like Can, he's cute. Maybe he takes after his dad. Gulp. That's enough. If you drink this much, you'll get drunk. You're gulping it down like it's water. I come here for drink. Otherwise, I would have invited you to a cafe and drink milk instead. So clueless. Don't start sulking at me. I'm not Can. To be honest, the issue with Can was a long time ago. I thought you might have forgotten it by now, but your feelings just the same as always. I didn't think I would still feel this much for her. But it's because we got to meet again. That's when I realized, even after 10 years, I still want to love Can the same. If loving someone was a sport, you'd win a cabinet full of gold medals. But from now on, I have to let go. Can belongs to someone else now. I shouldn't feel this way. Come on, at least the thing you've been worrying about, wondering where Can went, is finally cleared up. You did great, Bob Panus. Yeah, as long as Can is doing well, that's all that matters. Bauer Bistro. Hello, the flowers you ordered are ready. Okay, I'll wait in front of the shop. Excuse me, beautiful lady. Turn. Can I have your number? Bauer Bistro. Why are you forcing me to go home? I still want to keep drinking. Creek. Let's go home because I need to go home, too. I have an early shoot tomorrow morning. Don't be too stubborn. Here you're putting me in a headlock, huh? You're street light. Then just go back by yourself. We don't live in the same house. Prom said if I leave, you have to leave, too. Why would you listen to her? My sister always overreacts about everything. Now that I finally get a break, let me drink to my heart's content. You dragged me, now my shirt's ruined. You can just go home and drinking there so we won't have to worry. Crack. It's always prom this, prom that. So whose side is she really on? If you're going to trust prom that much, then just take her as your own. Hey, don't sulk. I'm not Can't, I won't coax you. Swish. Hey, are you really sulking with me, you idiot? The woman over there. If it's not convenient to give your number right now, then just give me anything I can use to contact you, please. Well, I just heard that you came to deliver flowers, right? Do you own a flower shop? Then can I contact your shop? It'd be nice to support your shop, wouldn't it, beautiful? If it's for the shop's contact. Took. Grab. What are you doing out this late? Shouldn't you be at home taking care of your child? Oh, you have a child. Then you must have a husband too, right? Almost got into trouble there. Good thing her husband didn't come to punch me. Yeah, my bad. Whatever. What a shame. So pretty but already has a child. Grab. If you don't have a mouth to say anything nice, it's better to just use it when eating rice. Hey, what's this? Suddenly. What? Why are you suddenly talking harsh to me like that? Whip. Who was the one who started talking harsh first? Seriously, is it so hard to show some respect to women, the same gender as your mother? What did we say wrong? We even complimented her for being beautiful. It's just a shame she's married. How is that wrong? Wait, why does her face feel so familiar? Like I've seen her somewhere before. Or could it be? I'm sorry. My friend probably drank too much. Haha, I'll take my leave now. So, is it or is it not? No way, she's a very polite singer, isn't she? That's true, just someone who looks similar. Are you out of your mind, Bob Panus? What are you thinking, daring to cause trouble with others in a public place like this? You can get into a scandal. You heard them, they spoke poorly about Can first. Should I have just stayed quiet? I heard. But why act so recklessly without thinking? What will you do if this turns into scandal? I'll handle it. That's too easy to say. Fixing the scandal isn't like untying a knot that can be solved so easily. If your sister if President Q finds out, it'll be a big deal. If President finds out, it wouldn't be a problem because President is someone who values justice more than anything. I'm sorry. Suddenly, I'm sorry for causing you both this trouble, but actually, you don't have to fight over me. I'm used to situations like this. Can, you are not hurt anywhere, right? If you're not okay, you can always tell me, can't? I'm okay, no problem. Shake your head. Don't. No matter how much I want to hug her, but she already has a family. The feelings I have for Can't are not that pure. Oh, if there's nothing wrong, then that's good. By the way, what are you doing around here, Can? Oh, right, I almost forgot that I came to deliver flowers. I feel unsettled. Why did Can have to deliver the flowers alone, going that far? Can's husband, doesn't he care about his own wife? Thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.